In this video, you will learn how to create lambda functions in MS Excel. So Microsoft launched lambda functions in December 2020. So it is used to create custom reusable functions and call them by a friendly name. So there is no need to copy paste complex formulae which is error prone. Also there is no need to do coding in Excel VBA to create these functions. So I am going to create a lambda function to convert temperature in degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. So F stands for Fahrenheit, C stands for degree centigrade. So the formula is F minus 32 by 180 is equal to C by 100. So Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade C divided by 100 multiplied by 180 plus 32. So we will create a lambda function for convert temperature in centigrade to Fahrenheit. So let us create the lambda function in an Excel cell to test the function. Then we will move it to a named range. So I will type equal to lambda. Now we can pass any number of parameters up to 253, and the last one will be the expression which will apply these parameters and give the result. So our parameter, we have only one parameter, we are passing centigrade, so I will use C, and then the expression that uses this parameter. So C divided by 100 multiplied by 180 plus 32, and we'll close the bracket. So if you just press enter, it will throw error because we are not passing any parameter, we are just defining the function, so it will show calculation error. So ideally what we have to do, this is the lambda function, now we have to pass the actual parameter. So if I pass 31, then it will, this lambda function will work. Let's see whether it works. So it converted 31 degrees centigrade to 87.8 Fahrenheit. So this formula is working. So now let us copy this lambda function. I will copy this and create a named range. So name manager, create new. So I will use Fahrenheit. This is the name of the named range. This is the name of the function. So lambda function. So I will paste the lambda function here and press OK. So you notice one thing, that it is scope is workbook. So this function will be available throughout this workbook in any worksheet. So I'm closing this. Now I will use this named range function. This is the lambda function here. So I will say equal to Fahrenheit. So it appears here. Fahrenheit. Now this. So it appeared. Then I will copy this formula here. So it started working. 31 87.8, 51 is 123.8. So the instead of copying the actual formula, we just copied the named range for the lambda function Fahrenheit. So this is how we create lambda functions.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.